In order to show completion of the ISTE Standard C1, I was able to complete 3 personality quizzes and a leadership quiz. After completing the quizzes, I created a memo to discuss my results and a personal reflection to my results. After completing the quizzes and gaining my insight to my personality, I created the memo as a reflection. Please follow my link listed to see my memo. You are now viewing my memo I created with my personality assessment results. My personality type between the 3 quizzes had many similarities and differences. All 3, however, identified me as having a sensing side of mind. For example, noticing sights, smells, sounds, and sensory details. As far as the leadership quiz, my leadership style was listed as a democratic leader. It explained that I accepted input from group members when making decisions and solving problems. I then provided personal reactions to these assessments. I agreed and found the results pretty accurate of myself, and I was able to reflect on the different quizzes that I participated in.